transportation. There was some public opinion poll before if it should be applied. People voted for it. There was a pilot before and there was a big success. On the other hand, we've got also in Singapore, we've got Land Transportation Authority implemented the integrated fare management, where you've got smart cards, where you can pay taxis, trains, buses, you can have road user charging and parking. So this is like combined all in one smart card technology. Just showing you here the big impact of the traffic on the example of US is US transportation systems have an annual impact through congested roadways, which is near 200 billion and 4.2 billion lost hours, 11 billion liters of gasoline. This is also the same in Europe, where we've got a very, very high impact of technology, traffic congestion. This is a largely amount of the GDP of countries. What is smart in these new traffic management systems? There's new dynamic business models like road charging based on specific time zones. If you enter into the city center at high impact times where there's a lot of cars going, you get higher fares. It's real-time traffic predictions. You can even predict congestions before they happen, and you can respond by real-time congestion tooling. Here is an example, interesting picture where you can see the traffic situation in a major roadway before and after the implementation of the system. I mean, from an optical perspective, you can see quite a difference. On the left side, you can see the map of the boundaries where tolling stations have been applied. So if cars are passing, the car plates are monitored. And that led to 25% reduction in traffic entering the cordon, to 16% reduction in CO2 emission. And the project basically paid back in 4 years. So the congestion charges in the future will also fund future improvements. We've just seen this little time a few of the examples where our planet or our cities can become smarter, and we've just only begun to uncover what is possible. So thank you.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Klotz. I just wonder, you showed very impressively how smarter cities can solve issues much better. But a lot of people are concerned that ICT actually adds to pollution. I mean, computers use a lot of carbon and so on. To counter their arguments, which of the benefits of ICT in smarter cities would you quote when you discuss with these people?
I mean, just to illustrate here, like there's even, if you look at searches on Google, there's some equivalence in terms of CO2 production. And it is true that IT technology consumes energy, but all the IT providers are going very strongly in the direction of making green computers, which use less energy and are more efficient. On the other hand, smarter technology, like in smarter traffic management systems or smarter management of buildings, can very strongly impact the reduction of energy. The same thing is true for smart energy grids. So there's a huge range of areas where the implication and usage of intelligent sensor technology and analytics technology can have a strong impact on reducing. And I think there is just one way that's forward.
Thank you very much. We have time for a few questions. Yes, please.
My question is, if your